Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family. Are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we out here with a new adventure. Right now we're up on the beach out of the river mouth right now. That one here go epic. I guarantee so you go love that one here. So stay tuned. I go in the water right now. I go see what I can find and then me show you. Alright? Yeah man. Alright guys, we are going in the water, so follow me. Yeah, peeps. Got that nice crayfish right here. Yeah, man, nice one. Right there. I'm seeing some small mudfish as well, or blackfish as you know they call it. And that was stone right there, so we're hunting right now, alright? Yeah. Alright peeps, so we managed to find two of them. The water really cool and thing, so I don't think I can go no further up the stream. So I turn back and I just going to use them two here. Two nice size one. Two nice size crayfish them. I'm going to use them boil soup, alright? So see the peeps. You can see, judging by the size of my hand, a nice one this, you know, and that one have approximately the same size too. So yeah peeps, two nice cray. I'm gonna run a pot of soap.
Alright guys, welcome to the kitchen. So right now we're gonna get down to business. We're gonna make a pot of soup. Alright, me have my ingredients them and things, so stay tuned for see the process and all of that. Alright? Yeah man. Alright guys, so basically what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean them up. So this is the cleaning process, alright? Yeah man. So this is the first one. So we're gonna remove the shell off the back of the head. Like this. Take this off. Bams. And look carefully, we're gonna clean all of that out, alright? It clean right now, just like that. Now one more thing to do. Over the tail part, the middle piece of the tail, this part right here. So let's look it. Alright guys, so I went ahead right now and got the ingredients prepped. So right here we have some carrots and we have some pumpkin right here, and I actually grab a dasheen. It's been a while since I had that, so I decided on I'm getting one of those, put in the pot. I have some yam, white yam, never get the yellow yam, so I just work with what them did have there. And over here we have some Irish potato. Alright, so I'm gonna drop all of that in the pot right now. Alright, so here we go. Put in the carrots then. Soup here go rich and nice, people. Crayfish soup. Evening, yeah. Yeah, that go nice. Hey peeps, so see what I go on there right now. Ingredients them in the pot. Make them I get some cook and thing. Actually I'll add some more water to this. Yeah. Make them go and cook. Then I go add the shrimp them and the rest of the ingredient them I have. So just stay tuned guys. Alright guys, so you know say no soup can nice without the spinach them. So we'll drop in some spinach in it right now. Yeah. All them soup there name cream of pumpkin and cream of this and cream of that. I don't really like them. Yeah, I don't really like them the soup there. Cause no spinach no in them. And because they not taste good. Some of them taste bad. To me, I don't know about other people, but I tell you say, right now if they make a pot of it and drop 2 skinners in it, me mash it up. Yeah. Mash it up, people. Drop in my spinners them, you know. Make some long one and make some round one. Alright guys, so I saw me make the spinners them. Me take up one piece of flour, knead flour, roll it out, stretch it out, you know. Yeah, and just take off one little piece, round, me roll it round. So you get a round spinners. Bam. And take off one next piece, roll it long, you get a long spinners, you know. Yeah, and basically that, just that we do. Put them in a pot. You don't really want a big one in there, you can make 4 of them or so, depends. But mostly spinners do them pot, you know. Yeah. I make couple I round one them. Most when you make a round one them, you know, use no whole of flour because a soup is, you know, a big old broad dumpling nice soup. Some nice little ones, you know. You don't make them too thick neither with the soup. Like this. Good size. Next one, yeah. All who can make dumpling neat, you need to check me here. Me make the neatest dumpling them, see them here? Alright, I make that one a big just to show me the technique I use to make them. So, me roll over the edge them, spin it, roll over the edge, spin it, roll over the edge, you know? Then it will look like this. See that? Bams. Then you use the heel of your hand, your palm, and press it. See? Look like that. And then watch. Press round, round, and just give some smaller fold. Just neat it up. See? Use the palm to actually round up the edge. Like that. Then you need to fine tune in the middle again. Then bam. Perfect. Yeah? But I'm going to use that one and make 2 because I don't want such a big one. After all the practice then learn how to make them fast, you know. Or after making them for a while, you know how to make them fast. So that's it, peeps. Alright guys, so the pot are going out of the way here now. So I'm going to drop in the crayfish them right now. I'm going to flavor up the pot scene. So here peeps, see it there, crayfish them in the pot. Immediately them start get red. Look at that one right there. That one over there as well, changing color. Yeah. So right about now, I go just put in the rest of ingredient like the scallion and the thyme them, and it go on simmer down little, and then we put the noodle and them thing there in it. Alright? Yeah. Alright guys. Scallion and thyme. Now the pot now. Scallion and thyme now the pot now guys. Different flavors are come out in it here now. Alright? Yeah. Alright guys, I don't know about nobody else, but I love butter in my soup. I love it in my soup. So just add a small piece of butter right there. Alright? Yeah. Alright guys, see it now simmer down and everything. So I give it another 2 minutes or so, and then I drop the noodle in it and then finish up, and then at dinner time. Alright? Yeah man, it's looking good guys. Right now guys, so time for put in the noodle and finish it off. Alright? Yeah man, so noodle time. Noodle in there, so give it a stir, spread it, you know. Wow, looking nice. Pepper in it and everything. Yeah man, the pot here look delicious people. Alright now guys, see my bowl alright so. Steaming. Well nice and easy. So I'm gonna mash up this right now, alright? Yeah man. Mash up this here now. See it there? See it there, you know, people, my spinners, you know. Yeah. See what I go on here? Crayfish. Nice and juicy and thing. Yeah. Yeah. Food are bad peeps. Nah lie. Nah long spinners then now. Soup no nice without them now. I think them have the right plate, you know. Right plate for the occasion, you know. Yeah man. You know the soup hot, so I have to hold all the dish towel. Remember when we are little boy, I have to get all the dish towel or one of the old pans there. And hold on by your plate. Yeah. We don't go round a table and them something there. Really hard man style, you know. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to end the video right here so. I'm going to finish up this. I may have some more to go here now. In a bit, not right now in a bit. So I'm going to finish up this. Get shower and thing and move out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to share the channel people. We are at the brink of 1K. Still is my first goal. Just need a few more subscribers to seal it off. So hit the red button guys. Share with your friends and family if they're not subscribed yet. Alright. Hit the thumbs up button. As well as leave a comment. Alright, share your ideas with me. Any concerns, anything, just drop it in the comment section and I will get back to you. Alright, I promise. So peace out on this one, guys. See you on the next one. Alright, the next one is going to be epic, so make sure you hit the notification bell, so as soon as I drop the next video you will see it. Alright, yeah man, peace.